Hello guys, so I want to show you how I use castor oil at night on my face, you guys. So yes, castor oil. So I use castor oil at night on my face. I started to use it about a month ago and I can see the difference in my face and my skin. So if you want to see this video, keep watching, my friend. So I just want to welcome you back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much. God bless you for stopping by. So today we are talking about castor oil. So castor oil is something that I have been using on my skin, not mostly, but my face, my neck, around my belly button here. I have been using it. So castor oil have some property like anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antifungal, pain relief property. So castor oil is something that I have been trying out for a month on my face. I use castor oil on my hair. That's one of my oil that I always mix with whatever DIY oil I made. I put it on my hair. As for me, it's also good for wrinkle, for dark circle or dark spot or pigmentation. But you guys, let me show you how I do use my castor oil. So this one, I got this one, and you can use any castor oil you have, but this one is, they say it's pure, is as I am 100% Jamaican black castor oil, this one. So they said it's natural. They say it's good for hair, skin, eyelash, brow, and also braid. So I picked this one up, and this is the one that I'm using both for my face, my neck, and around my belly button. Now I don't use it in my eyes. They said it also can apply to your eyes, but as for me, I'm not taking that risk. So for you to use castor oil different than using it on your face or wherever, I think you should consult your physician before you drink castor oil or put it in your eyes. Some people say it does let them clear up the eye. So I have two product here, my castor oil. This is my rose water with my clove leaf that I do apply to the rose water. Rose water is also good, you guys, for your skin, in case you don't know. So what I always do, I would spritz my face first with my rose water. This is my castor oil and I have the applicator in it, so it is good for you. So I pick this amount up and I do apply it. I like to put it in my hand, maybe warm it up a bit before I use it, and then I use it here, my neck, and I bring it down right here. So what I always do is massage and I bring it down to this part of my body. Now I went back in with my castor oil, and this one is going to go both my under eye here, and this was where I even have some dark circle underneath my eyes. Since I started to use the castor oil, it make a difference. My entire face make a difference with castor oil. And then I just put the rest of it on my brow. Now as for my lashes, I don't use it on my lashes. I don't use it in my eyes. I do not drink castor oil because for you to do certain things, you have to ask a physician. So the rest of the castor oil are in my hand, and then I will just use it on my face like this. But I use this at night. I don't use it in the morning. I use it every night when I'm going to my bed. And I'm telling you guys, try this. This will make a difference. This castor oil will make a difference on your skin. As for me, I go back in with my sprit from I have in this bottle, the clove leaf and the rose water, and I re-sprit I respray my face with it because you know castor oil have a very thick consistent. So if I do respray my face, then I'll take out some of the thickness. But using this, I don't even have to go with makeup, you guys. So I'm not saying that you should go out and buy castor oil. If you have it in your home, try it out on your face. Use it at night. You can see my face here. It's glowing, like it's really glowing. It's so different since I started to use this. And I sorry that I always have castor oil, but I never tried on my face. I just tried in my hair. I think one time I tried on my face, and because of the thickness I cleaned it off. But now I started to use it, and then I use it in a different form. As I said, I don't use it in the day. I just use it at night. And you can use your finger, the back of your hand. Don't put pressure on your face because you know your face are just use the back of your hand, and then you just massage this thing in your skin. Leave it there. Don't wash it off. Just go to bed with it. In the next morning you wake up, then you can see once you start to use it the next morning you wake up, your skin looks so different, you guys, once you started this. This is something that, you know, I have been trying out and I get result. I can say I really love. You can see my skin here. I don't need makeup. If I'm going out right now, all I have to do is just do my brow and I go out. So as for my lash, I don't put it on my lash because my eyes are very sensitive. But when I put it underneath here, I try to be careful so it don't catch in my eyes, because if it do catch in my eyes will start to burn me and run water. So I try to be careful. As for the drinking, I wouldn't drink it unless it was prescribed to me by my physician to drink, but I wouldn't drink it. But I also put it around my belly button here at night before I go to bed, and just use my hand, the middle of my hand, and just massage it around and around, and then I tip a little bit in my belly button. So this is what I do, you guys. So if it's your first time here, again, thank you so much. God bless you. I hope you do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next upload.